Here today at my friend Ted Whiteman with his son Chris driving the tractor. They're harvesting their soybeans with an Allis Chalmers all crop 60 and a case 830. It's a scene that you might have seen quite a bit in the 50s and 60s, especially with the tractor. But they've had little problems with the conveyor belts on this machine, but they've got it running pretty well right now. So soybeans are not too thick right here, so not having any type of clogging problem. This machine always does a great job cleaning, and that's what it was known for, is just doing a really smooth, clean job in any kind of a crop. It's an all crop, so seems like it's running well. He's not running his cutter bar real low here. I think he's worried about some rocks, but get a good picture of this and follow it along for a little bit. Getting anything through the machine here right now. Thickens up out here a little bit towards the middle. Be a better challenge for it. You can run all kinds of different crops with this all crop harvester. Everything from soybeans, wheat, oats, clover, any kind of seed. I think maybe over, I don't know, they made screens, several different screens for it, so probably maybe it's 15, 20 different crops, maybe more than that. Did come with a chopper. You can see it ejects the trash from the side, and has a, you could get it with a chopper, but this particular chopper's been taken off this machine. I don't know what the grain bin holds, but it can't be more than about 20 bushels. We were running yesterday at a different field with a Minneapolis molding U, and I was over here watching. It was just running too fast. The lowest gear still had it going way too fast through the field. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.